Disclaimer. This video is made for entertainment purpose only, it doesn't mean to hurt anyone, and don't take it seriously.
We back, chat. It's day 3, I think it's day 3 in the video. Today we driving it, bro. Today we test driving it. I don't know if it's gonna drive, but today we is test driving it. Right now, we gonna unwrap the car, clean up this stuff, get it off the jack stands. And when we get off the jack stands, pour the oil in there. And when we pour the oil in there, we gonna crank it and let it idle. I'm gonna turn my heat on blast, and I'm gonna bleed the car, let the air bubbles come out and stuff. So this what we waiting on. Damn, we already put the oil. I ain't record. We put the oil in, chat. Put the fender back on so it won't look so raggedy. Okay, I don't got my O2 sensors in, so I just want to make sure the gears work so I won't have to jack back up the car and go back in the transmission. If I do, bro, I'll be pissed. I'll be pissed, chat. We finna crank the car up. Finna go get my keys. Crank this John up, let it idle. I need to open this too. Oh, y'all finna bleed the car also. So y'all don't finna bleed the car. So I need to keep that open. Alright, chat, we finna put the cooler in there. Got kiwi in there. So to the camera, bro. What's going on, man? This cool.
Wait, it going there? I thought it going the white thing.
That is water. Dumbass. So if y'all don't know how to bleed y'all car, y'all basically fill it up till it can't fill up no more. Crank it, turn your heat on blast. And when you turn your heat on blast, it basically go into all the stuff. It's alright. Y'all see the air bubbles? They'll y'all looking for them. I'm finna crank it, check. Got all this shit in my car. Oh shit, I just wiped my camera. I want neutral. Park. My park iffy, Joe. I don't think my park working.
Are you in park?
But it's blank. Hello, chat. I gotta fix my shifter on there. Cause when I go back all the way up there, I think it's too high.
I told you to put all the way to park.
It was all the way in park. It's disappearing. See, like now I'm in park, but when I let it go, it disappeared. Like, I'm in park now.
You were pushing it when you were when I was.
No, I wasn't. I was just trying to make sure it locks. It locked now though.
So we gotta adjust this.
Yeah, we're finna readjust it. Alright, chat, we're finna readjust the shift link at the bottom so it read at park. Alright, chat. I had to make this little link right here on the shift link kind of longer because it wasn't reading in park all the way. I had to push it all the way up for it to read in park. So if I set this back a little farther, it should read good. So finna put it back under there. It works. Check. It works. So now I'm finna officially crank the car. So let me de-jack this car.
K-Train. Hey man, he ain't mean chat. He meant K-Train. Damn.
Damn, I forgot how to turn my fucking heat on. Calm down. come out, give it a slight little rev, like rev it up to like 2,000, keep it at like 2,000 RPMs or 3,000, and then put some more in there.
Got him. We fucking got him.
That nigga got scared. That nigga got scared. He just put some more in there.
Now you stay here while I do it.
No.
But that shit.
Say that in
Feel my chest. After you say you gonna hold it, you didn't say you gonna.
Everything good, temperature straight, the heat still blasting. Ooh, oh yes sir. Hey, little dip in that mug. I gotta get the honest. Make sure y'all bleed y'all shit, man. Oh.
Damn.
Oh. Read me up. My baby thirsty, man.
Yeah.
Hey, bro. Put that on the flame out.
Shut up, bitch.
Watch out for the screw. Lock in, Jay. Oh, shit. Put that on first. About that. Alright, baby. Let's see if it go back, Jay. Let's see if it go back.
Hey, Lonzo, turn up on the
Hold on, there's something under mine. My brakes about hard as hell. My e-brake.
Oh, dumb bitch.
It moved though. It moved. Hold on now.
Go back a little bit more. All right, go forward.
Man, you still work now. Oh, shit. Hold up now. Alright, Che, y'all still got the fin ready. So I gotta get back in that mode, man. It's time to do illegal activities in this bitch, man. It's time. The demon time.
I'm all in this shit. You gotta be a dumbass fool. You think I'ma lose?
Boy. It's time, bro. Shut up, I wipe your ass off your mouth.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal.
Hey, y'all boys, stay active. Next time get behind the hell without the exhaust on, I'm talking, I'm screaming down the highway.
Y'all are going to jail.
Nah, I'm just playing, that hoe ain't gonna go nowhere. You know what? Damn, we got spider webs and shit in there, motherfucker. I did motherfucker on me. He helped me work on that hoe.
Tell his girlfriend.
Shut up, bitch.
Where these hoes parties? Everything hard, champ.
What do you mean by that?
My brakes, my fucking power steering.
I don't give a fuck. How the fuck Joe get first ride?
Go on, turn up.
Nah.
do those from underneath it, ain't it? Or you gotta drop it?
I can do it from underneath, but it'd be hard. But now I gotta buy more transmission fluid. Unless we just trying to collect.
Wrong street.
Oh shit, wrong street.
I'm wondering why you braking so hard.
Hey, it worked though. It worked. It's a success. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Damn. Damn. Oh fuck! I can't drive it. Fuck.
Be crazy put in a little flame melt.
I got one flying.
Hold on, wait a minute. You get on record it. I'm gonna get out and get a bottom of it.
I gotta do one flying chat. That's the exhaust. Let me chill. Oh shit. Alright, chat, I'm finna see if I got any other gear except for first.
We know we got first. We know we don't have second.
And we don't have second at all. Bro, these brakes are hard as fuck. At least they stopped the car. Look at that shit. It shifted.
Is it just shifting hard?
Y'all shifting, chat.
Maybe you just gotta drive it a little bit. Okay, it's the same thing that was before. Let's go! Oh my god! So it's just the second. What if it's so does each solenoid control a gear?
Yeah.
So you might just need to put one, do one.
Check it out, new ones.
Okay, okay.
That's what I know what it is now.
So it was never your valve body. It was never your valve body.
But I need move.
Let's go!
Oh, that bitch screaming over there. Fuck out the way. See the bus head got out the way, so I gotta put on that
Yeah!
Is this the scream?
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta slam those fucking brakes. I ain't gonna lie. Shit! Hey, come on, bruh. I'm finna turn these cylinder ASAP. It's up.
That's all it is a cylinder noise. It was never the valve body.
No.
It was just the cylinder noise.
I'm finna change my shit, chat.
So he has first, second, no third.
Now I got third. No fourth.
Oh. No fourth, no fifth, no sixth, no seventh.
My check engine like blinking now.
They heard us go around the corner.
y'all boys, that's the end of the video. Y'all see, bro, we crunk it up, let it idle, we drove it, cylinder oil fucked up. I got work for like the past 3 days, so
Next to this.
the next week, driving it, ho, bro. VR30 transmission swap was a success. I used the original drive shaft, so everything good, bro. It's just them cylinders, bro. I hate that I left them in the rain. It's kind of fucked up, but it's all good, bro.
How many miles your car got?
64,000,
Where'd you come from?
194,000.
Might have dropped 130K.
Oh god, damn! I got a low ass mile motor check. 64,000 miles on the motor and 45,000 miles on the transmission. I got forever with this hoe.
Another 10 years.
Man, damn.
And
$2,000. Well, way more than that, but boy, I'm fucking done, bro. I'm done, chat. I mean, K-Tron, bro. I kept calling. I'll take the whole video. Y'all boys, just make sure y'all stay tuned, bro. Know y'all rocking with it, man. I got the first drive today. Make sure y'all boys stay tuned. Hit that like button, comment, subscribe.